You can earn more than $600 just by listening to the song. This video shows you how to increase your income. The third thing you need to do is to go to YouTube Music and find different music. Listening to these songs is completely free. You don't have to spend a single penny to register for music. As you can see, here is a wide range of popular music that you can listen to, and all of them are available in different languages. The best part is that you can download the YouTube Music app on your smartphone. No matter if you are using an Android phone or an iPhone, you can still download the app for free if you are using an Android phone. You can go to the Google Play Store and search for YouTube Music, and the app will be like this. Just make sure you download. Alternatively, if you're using an iPhone, you can go to the Apple App Store. As you can see here, you can download now. You can explore different music to listen to within the app. What I usually do is scroll down and then click more. This button is from here to explore trending songs. You will be taken to this page. As you can see here, you can find 20 trending songs right now. For example, if you want to listen to a particular song, just click on the play button. Here's where to start listening to music. In addition to this, you can enjoy a wide selection of songs and playlists on YouTube Music, and you can listen to all of this music on your smartphone or computer. Now that you know how to find songs here, I want to introduce you to Genius.com, where you can search for different lyrics. There is a wide selection of songs lyrics available on this platform. For example, if I want to search for the lyrics of a song, I have to enter the name of the artist or the title of the songs right here and select of the songs from the drop down results, and from here there we are redirected to this page, and where I can just listen to the song. But the text I'm going to sing this text bar carefully note down so you don't make any mistakes. As you can see, this is the name of the songs and all the lyrics are this. Is an incredible opportunity for you to actually listen to the music and transcribe lyrics. So for a very simple song like this, which actually 3 and 4 minutes long, you can easily make money by transcribing. Now look at this. For every minute of audio, you'll get $1.50 just by listening to the songs. Earn $525 per song. So the next thing I want you to do is to go to this website, which is rev.com, and on this website you can find different job opportunities for music transcription. For example, when you transcribe the music you hear, you'll get paid for every minute for audio you transcribe. To continue watching this video, because I'm going to show you several free software tools that can do the job for you. Now back to rev.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the website and click on freelancers. It will take you to the page where you can earn money from home by transcribing or subtitle. The thing about this website is that you can work as much as you want, whenever you want, and you can also choose projects that really interested you. As you can go to the bottom of the page, you will notice that here are basically two categories of jobs on this website: transcription and subtitling. All you have to do is enter your first and last name and email address and your country. Tell me in the comments which country you are from. The next website is called gotranscribe.com, and you can get paid to transcribe lyrics. You can simply go to the bottom of this website and click on work. They offer competitive rates for online transcription jobs. For every minute of audio or video you learn, they offer 60 cents, which means you can earn $210 by listening to or transcribing a typical 3-minute 30 seconds song. There are many benefits to working with this site, which you can see here if you are interested in signing up for a free account and start earning. Click on the apply now button. You will be directed to a page where you can create your free account email address only and enter your password, and then click on the register button. This way you can get more jobs and earn money online with these platforms.